In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce platform, BigSpy and Pipiads. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, you know that picking the right tool to help you find the best products to sell can really help you out with your business, and also being able to learn from your competitors is how you can stay ahead of the curve. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste a lot of money and a lot of time. And watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you avoid doing that, so I can help you make the right decision and pick the right product. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, and I'm going to cover a lot of different categories, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much more. For your convenience, I've included the links to both BigSpy and Pipiads in the description below, so you can check them out. And now let's get started. BigSpy doesn't really focus directly on the product discovery in the traditional sense, but it excels in uncovering successful advertising campaigns for various products. This indirect approach allows users to identify trending products based on their advertising performance and giving insights into what is currently capturing the market's attention and driving sales. Now, what about market analysis? So BigSpy provides extensive market analysis capabilities, particularly in the realm of advertising. Users can view detailed analytics on ad performance, including engagement rates, reach, and demographic information. This allows for a deep understanding of market trends and consumer behavior, which is essential for crafting compelling advertising strategies. Let's talk about the integration with other platforms for BigSpy. While BigSpy itself does not integrate directly with e-commerce platforms for product listing or management, it's really invaluable for understanding the advertising landscape on platforms where dropshipping products are marketed, like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and much more. What about the supplier database? So BigSpy does not include a supplier database, as it's primarily focused on advertising data rather than direct dropshipping logistics. BigSpy boasts a user-friendly interface that's pretty easy to navigate. They've got lots of different filters you can use to help find different types of ads that you're looking for. The dashboard is well organized. That makes it simple for users if you want to access various features, and if you want to filter, do more advanced filtering for advertisements. Customer support and community. BigSpy offers reliable customer support with options to contact them via email as well as live chat. Additionally, there's an active community of users, and BigSpy often hosts webinars and they post tutorials that are really helpful for both new and experienced users. Now let's talk about the pricing structure. So BigSpy offers several pricing tiers, including a basic version going all the way up to VIP. So basic starts from $9 a month, and VIP goes up to over $3,600 a year. And they also have the group as well as the Pro. Pro is their one of the most popular plans, and you can actually try it for just $1 using the link in the description. If you decide to pay yearly, then you can save between 10 to 30%, which is a significant amount, and you can see everything that's included in each of the pricing plans. Now let's talk about the automation features. So BigSpy doesn't include automation features that are related to dropshipping operations, but it can automate tracking different types of ads across different platforms, and that's really beneficial if you want to keep up to date with the kind of advertising that your competitors are doing. Let's talk about analytics and reporting. BigSpy excels in analytics and reporting with detailed breakdowns of ad performance metrics. So this comprehensive data is crucial for understanding which types of ads are most effective and why. Now, is BigSpy available on your mobile? Well, currently they don't offer a mobile app, which can be a limitation for some users who want mobile access for their research and monitoring activities. So you would have to do it on like your laptop or your computer if you want to use BigSpy. So what about the reviews and user feedback? Well, feedback for BigSpy is generally very positive, especially its ability to provide in-depth advertising insights. Users appreciate the breadth of data that's available and the ease of use with which you can analyze trends and competitor strategies. But some users have complained that they'd like to have a mobile app support so they can do direct e-commerce integration and also just view their analytics on their phone if they're not at their computer. BigSpy overall is a standout tool for anyone who wants to enhance their advertising strategies as a dropshipper. Pipiads is particularly strong in identifying trends on TikTok, as you can probably tell based on their page right here. This is really useful and powerful for dropshippers that are looking to capitalize on viral trends. The platform provides detailed insights into which products are gaining traction through successful advertising campaigns, allowing users to discover potential bestsellers before they hit the mainstream market. So what about their market analysis? Market analysis with Pipiads is tightly integrated with TikTok's advertising landscape. It offers detailed analytics on ad performance, including viewer engagement, reach, and demographic information. This enables users to understand not just what products are popular, but why they're popular and how to position them effectively in their own marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pipiads primarily serves as an ad spy tool, and it does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms for product management or listing. However, the insights gained can be used to inform product selections and marketing strategies, no matter what platform you use, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform. As far as supplier database goes, Pipiads does not include a supplier database. Once again, it's not really focused on the day-to-day, management of a dropshipping business. It focuses on the advertising side of it, so it provides insights rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations. Users will need to source their own suppliers or use another tool in conjunction with Pipiads if you want to manage your supply. As far as pricing and profitability tools that are offered, the tool doesn't actually traditionally offer pricing and profitability calculators. That's not really the goal of Pipiads, but you can infer the potential profit margins based on the performance and engagement metrics of your ads for similar products, so that can give you a rough idea of what the profits might look like. User interface and ease of use for Pipiads is generally considered pretty good. It's designed specifically for users that are interested in leveraging TikTok ads. The platform's layout makes it simple to find and analyze high-performing ads, and they also have lots of filters that you can use to narrow down your search results based on different criteria. What about the customer support and community? Well, customer support for Pipiads is available via email and live chat. Additionally, they also have a community where members can share their insights and strategies, especially for maximizing the your profitability and performance for your TikTok ads for dropshipping. But let's talk about their pricing because I'm sure you're interested in that. As you can see, Pipiads offers a subscription model like a lot of other tools. So they have the monthly as well as annual plan. If you pay annually, you can save 30%. So if you're serious about using Pipiads for your dropshipping business, to run ads on TikTok, to analyze them and find trends, I would get the annual plan. You can save a lot of money. It's definitely worth it. And as you can see, they have the starter plan starting at $77 a month, and it goes all the way up to Pro at $263, and their most popular is actually the VIP, which is in between these two at $155 a month. As you can see, what's included in each of them, the number of ads per query goes up as you buy the more expensive plan, all the way up to 5,000. Everything pretty much goes up. With Pro, you actually get everything for not just one person, but for 5 people. So if you're running a bigger operation, Pro might be the better option for you. What about the automation features? Well, Pipiads doesn't offer automation in the traditional sense of dropshipping operations. It automates the process of discovering and tracking successful TikTok advertisements, which can save you a lot of time and effort if you're doing market research. For analytics and reporting, they excel in providing detailed information on TikTok ad campaigns, so I can help you find out which is successful and which is not, as well as the conversion potential. Unfortunately, Pipiads does not currently have a mobile app, so if you are planning on using something like this on your phone, then Pipiads is not the right platform for you. But if you're using your laptop anyway, your computer, then that doesn't matter. But what do users say? What's the feedback? What are the reviews like? Well, the general reception of Pipiads is that it's pretty good, especially if you're focused on TikTok ads, which is kind of niche. As you can see on the page right here, Pipiads is simply the perfect tool for product research, the best investment you can make for your e-commerce business to access the latest products and creatives of the moment. So it's definitely a popular platform that a lot of people really like. It's got great reviews and a lot of well-known dropshippers are using them in their business. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.